screams louder when I go out. It knows my name and all my fears. Although when the sun's out, it disappears. Oh, it haunts me in my dreams. It haunts me. Oh, it stalks me when I'm alone. As I look over my shoulder, it's standing in the mirror, but it don't say a word, does it? Hi there pluckers, I've Sore Fingers again with you, with hopefully another interesting guitar lesson for you. This one is a song by a gentleman called Kody West, or a band called Kody West, I'm not sure, which is either a single act or a band, I'm not sure. And a song called, a stranger name called Ogygia, I hope that's the right pronunciation, O-G-Y-G-I-A. Okay, so we're in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. This is the acoustic version with just Kody West himself playing on YouTube. You'll find it. Okay, starts off in an E minor shape. Okay, and you hit the bass note, strum, bottom E string, open strum, and then the 5th string, 2nd on the 5th, strum. Times round, okay, and then we go to A minor and we play the 5th string open, strum, 6th string open, strum, 2 lots around that, and then a B7, and we form the B7 shape and we hit the bass note, root note 2nd on the 5th, strum, and then we have to move this 2nd finger up to the 2nd fret on the bottom E string, strum. Okay, so whole thing, first phrase of the intro. Don't try and play it too quick, it's quite slow. Okay, so 2 times round and then back to the, on each chord, and then back to the E minor. So 2 lots on that, but this time you have to put a little riff into it before you go to the A minor. Okay, so it's alright, so it's and that, what that is, open 5th to the 2nd on the 5th, open 5th, 3rd on the 6th, bottom E string. And then you play the open 5th string and go to the A minor bit. 6th string. Okay, got that? So, 2nd phrase is right, and then we lead up to the B7th. We play the open 5th string, 1st fret of the 5th string, and then form the B7. Open 5th, 1st on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th, B7th chord, strum, 2nd on the 6th, bottom E string, strum, 2nd on the 5th again, strum, and then the final riff, 2nd on the 6th, bottom E string, 3rd, bottom E, back to the second. Got that? So second on the 6th, third on the 6th, back to the second on the 6th, and then E, bottom E string open twice, and then you're back to the E minor again. Okay, so the whole this is just one more bit to show you. Okay, so let's just do up to that point. Okay, very slowly. So the first time round there is no fiddly bits. Okay, the second time there is. Okay, so. What happens then is it does and then stops, okay? And then what he does then is a harmonic rake, sort of a rake harmonic on the 5th fret from the capo. So you've got to get the right place on the guitar to play it, something like that. And that's basically putting whichever finger you want to do, you rest it on the strings directly above the 5th fret from the capo, very, very lightly, and you rake down and then take your finger off. Okay, so the whole intro, and then it goes back into it goes back in and does another round of the whole thing. So up to that point, up to the rake, okay? I've got to struggle to get that harmonic, get the strum in the right place on the guitar, yeah, something like that. Okay, then what happens then, it goes back to do the second part again. Right, so it's but no rake. No harmonics the second time round, it just starts singing into the verse, okay? So let's get it into the verse, let's go through it once more very slowly into the verse point, okay? There's a shadow of this house. Okay, so then we're into the verse. Okay, just practice. You just need to practice. You've got to get the right position to actually get the best sound out of it. So move your fretting hand. Sorry, your bridge. What am I talking about? Your strumming hand around and find the best place to sound that harmonic. It's practice. So okay. Anyway, so when we get into the verse, it's E minor. So it comes out of that second time round. There's a shadow above this A minor house. You can almost strum this really. Into B7, it screams louder, but still do the alternating bass, the swinging bass bit. When I go back to E minor, same again, it knows my name, it's all my fears. The sun's out, it disappears. Oh, it's A minor, this is the chorus, okay, taunts me in my dreams, E minor, it taunts me. Oh, it B7 taunts me when I'm E minor alone. As I look, A minor over my shoulder, E minor standing in the mirror, B7 don't say a word, 'cause it knows. And it does another one of those stops. That sort of thing, okay? And then it goes and does the intro again with all the fill-ins, okay? Got the idea? So let's just go for that chorus again. So coming out of the last line where it goes, well, the sun disappears. Oh, A minor, it taunts me in my dream. E minor, it taunts me. B7, it stalks me when I'm E minor alone. As A minor looks over my shoulder, E minor is standing in the mirror, B7, but it don't say a word, 'cause it knows. Now there's the intro again. Goes into the second verse, exactly the same to play as the first verse, and then another chorus, okay? And at the end of the second chorus, okay, it comes out of the second chorus, but it don't say a word because it knows. And then it does another intro again, okay? Instead of going into another verse, it goes into this slight instrumental bit, and it's a C chord, and it's like a fast rhythm. So come here. So C to E minor, okay? C again. B7, and then that riff again on the B7. So B7, then put your second finger up to the 6th string, 2nd fret, and then that, just like you do on the intro, and then it does the intro again, okay? Bit, and then it goes into the final verse and the final chorus, okay, which is exactly the same to play as what we've already done, and he just finishes this on the intro again after the chorus, okay. So we'll just go through my demo again that I did, which has all the parts that you need in it, okay. Try and go through it hopefully without too many mistakes, okay. So here we go. There's a shadow above this house. It screams louder when I go out. It knows my name and all my fears. sun's out, it disappears. Oh, it taunts me, in my dreams it haunts me. Oh, it stalks me when I'm alone. As I look over my shoulder, I'm standing in the mirror, but it don't see a word. And there you have it. Hopefully something like that. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks very much. Bye bye.